I am happy to know that Oak Ridge International School, Bangalore, is organizing the fifth edition of the Bangalore Junior Model United Nations Conference to acquaint the students with the responsibilities of the United Nations and the challenges it faces from time to time. It is commendable that this conference, which focuses on advancing human rights during a global pandemic, provides an educational platform to develop the research and public speaking abilities of the students. As we all know, COVID-19 has impacted nearly all the countries around the world, killing lakhs of people, devastating national economies, challenging basic human rights, and changing our lifestyle. All over the world, people are struggling to come to terms with the new normal which has established itself in all our activities. In this context, organizations like United Nations have a lead role in developing the most appropriate responses to combat the global crisis. During such situations, guaranteeing human rights for everyone poses a challenge for all nations. Saving the lives of people and ensuring of human rights deserve priority since the pandemic has exposed the vulnerable sections of society to greater danger and risk. It is true that in times of pandemic, we may have to restrict certain human rights as part of the containment measures. But every such measure should help to strengthen the effectiveness of the containment strategy, mitigating the broader impact of the crisis on people's lives and avoid creating new problems. Since the world looks forward to the United Nations for policy guidelines in such matters, discussions that shape these guidelines would be of great public importance. I am glad to see students of Oak Ridge International School conducting a Model United Nations meeting to discuss the need to ensure human rights during this crisis. I hope the discussions would provide students valuable insight into both the manner in which such global policies are framed and the decorum to be followed during the debates. It is through such debates that students can learn the parliamentary processes and gain exposure to global events. My best wishes to the participants of this Model United Nations Conference. I hope to see the emergence of young debaters who would enrich our democratic institutions in future. Loka samasta sukhino bhavantu. Jai Hind.